Government High Secondary School, Parapati in Madurai. How to crack your happy chemicals and prevent aging. Happy chemicals dose. D for dopamine, O for oxytocin, S for serotonin, E for endorphin. Dopamine are called the reward chemical. Completing a task, eating food, doing self-care activities, celebrating small wins, achieving goals. Boosting dopamine, self-care behaviors, shopping.
Next happy chemical name is oxytocin. Oxytocin is called the love hormone. Playing with your pets, do something nice for someone, hugging your family. Boosting oxytocin is caring for pets, a healthy meaningful relationship. Next happy chemical is serotonin. Serotonin is called the mood stabilizer. Meditate, swimming, walk in nature, mindfulness activities. Boosting serotonin is pumpkin seeds, walnuts. These seeds are chewed. The serotonin level is increased.
The next happy chemical endorphin. Endorphin is called the painkiller. Love, watch a funny movie, eat dark chocolate, essential oils. Boosting endorphin. Exercise, sports. Ingredients this dose. Pumpkin seeds, dry fruits, nuts, walnuts, watermelon seeds. All things mixed very well. Prepare this powder. The powder makes milk, dosa and etc. You will try 1 month, so good result. You are tried. Thank you.